Hi, I'm Caleb.
And I'm Fatma.
We're certified tobacco treatment specialists with Corktown Health Center.
And on this segment of ETC Thursdays, we are going to be putting together some quit kits.
So what's a quit kit, you might ask? A quit kit is kind of like your own personalized survival kit. You can use these, they come really in handy, especially at the beginning of your quit. So if you're trying to combat cravings, if you want to stay distracted, you can put together a little kit of items that'll help do that for you. We've broken down one of ours, you can see them in front of the table, and we're going to go and describe why we've included these and some ideas that maybe you could add to your own. So a cheap option that a lot of people have available at home is something as simple as, a rubber band, just to keep yourself busy. If a rubber band's not really your thing, we actually have stress balls added to our kits. I know a lot of people like those. We also like to keep a lot of motivational messages on our equipment just to keep you encouraged while you quit and to remind you to be patient and forgive yourself for any small slip-ups.
Another item that we have are every try count wristbands. So these are great for just kind of really just distracting yourself and reminding yourself, the craving is going to pass. So if you're used to kind of smoking a few times a day, I think really just kind of like going like this is really helpful. You forget you're in the moment, and then you kind of can go about your day.
I know that a lot of people really do better with something like a fidget toy. We don't have fidget cubes, so we do have these little mesh ones. You can squish them, twist them, whatever. There's a little marble in there. They're pretty durable. I've played with one for 2 months. It's lasted.
Yeah. Also, I was playing with one and the marble popped out. So in that case, they actually go right back in. So you can kind of just like open up a little bit, you put the marble back in, and it goes right back to normal. Another item that we have gum and we have some peppermints. Now these are the ones that we included. These are sugar-free. The gum is sugar-free actually, but you can include any type of gum, candy, hard candy. I know I love Jolly Ranchers, so I can include that. You can include whatever you like, snacks, crackers, things like that. It's really up to you. It's just a way to keep your mouth busy so that you're not kind of like trying to smoke at those times.
Another thing I've actually heard a lot of people doing are actually getting themselves like a pack of mint flavored toothpicks. Again, it gives you that flavor to stimulate your mouth. It also gives you something to chew on. Another thing that a lot of people have at home is maybe a plastic straw that you can cut. You can actually put those into your kit, into your own pack of cigarettes as you're cutting back. So instead of counting down how many cigarettes you have, just put empty ones. That way you're limiting how many you're actually smoking.
We also include some stickers, some I Kick Butt stickers. Now these can be used to decorate your box, how I've decorated, or you can put these on your phone to kind of remind you. You can put them on your journal or your planner where you kind of are tracking your own journey. So it's really up to you. The box is definitely, you can decorate it however you want. You can put your own messages on there. You can put the date that you started your quit kit, so you can kind of always remember and keep on track. And we also include some golf pens and some Corktown Health Center pens and some golf pencils. And these are again, you can use them for your journal, but we also have pack trackers that you can really track your emotions and how you feel right before you're taking a cigarette. So if you are frustrated about something and all you want to do is smoke, you really write that emotion in there before you start your cigarette, so that you can keep track of the situations, the events, and the people around you that are really triggering you to start smoking again.
Now, I know you have to be aware of who's around you, but if it's anything, if you're a pen clicker like I am, these are those clicky pens, so go at it. Another thing about the pack trackers that we have is we actually cut them down so they're small enough that you can actually insert into the sleeve of your pack of cigarettes. So what you can do is you can also put that golf pencil right inside your pack of cigarettes and track it right on there. There's also a lot of digital methods that I know a lot of people like to use, some apps you can download on your phone to help you track that as well. Now, there are a few optional items we also have available to include in the kit. One of the optional items we actually have are these little lavender sachets. We've included these because we know that a number of people are interested in the aromatherapy qualities. There's been a lot done to show that the scent of lavender can help you de-stress.
One more item that we do have some, some Corktown Health Center magnets that you can put on your fridge. And then we also include cards for the Quit line, and you can receive, you can call and you can receive some phone support. You can also ask about assistance for receiving nicotine replacement therapy, like the gum, the lozenges, and medications. And you have like some support over the phone if you're not interested in working one-on-one with a tobacco treatment specialist.
Another thing when talking about nicotine replacement therapy, you can always call us for more information to consider what will work best for you if you're interested in that. Another thing is, if you already think you will be trying a medication, say like Chantix or Wellbutrin, we actually have these keychain emergency pill containers. That way, if you are working on staying consistent with your doses, you can just fit one right in there and it'll always be on your keys.
We also include a postcard for our information to the tobacco treatment program with our phone number and then the services that we offer. So if you are interested in any of the services that are listed here, you can reach out to us. And you are moving at your own pace. So this program is really one-on-one, and we work with you however way that you want. If you need more individualized support regularly, we can do that. If you just want somebody to check in with you, see how's your day going, how's your quit journey been going, and you really want to just do it on your own, we also offer that option. So don't limit yourself. You can definitely reach out to us for any kind of support. Our phone number is on there, and if you are interested in receiving some more information about support groups, you may not be interested in coming to Corktown, but you want to attend some support groups that we have, you can definitely reach out to us and ask about future events or support groups or virtual hangouts with clients and office hours and things like that.
Another thing, I want to encourage you all, just be as creative as you want. By no means, you are not limited by these items on the table. These are just what we have in stock at the moment. We would actually love to order some more items, and we want to hear your ideas for what you want. Do you want us to add some putty in here? Do you want us to add some detergent pods to help you wash out the smell of cigarettes? Do you want an air freshener for your car? Please let us know, because the more we hear about people wanting those, we can take that to the right person to have that ordered. The other thing is, when you're thinking about these quit kits, ours are in convenient boxes. You can put it in whatever you want. But what I would really recommend is put these within reach of wherever you're most likely to be. So if you have an office space that you spend most of your time in, put it there. If it's most helpful to put it on your dresser, do that. Maybe you realize that you pair smoking while you're grabbing something to eat. Put this next to the refrigerator.
You can also, if you kind of are used to smoking in your car or when you're driving home, you can also keep some of these quit kit items. You don't have to keep all of them, but you can keep some of them in your car so that you have them within reach when you need them. So that's it for today's segment. Tune in next time as we discuss quitting with nicotine replacement. For more information, resources, and support to help you start your quit journey, contact our Tobacco Cessation Team at 313-832-3300, extension 108. Tune in every third Thursday of the month